Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix access not available issue on TikTok Live Studio. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your TikTok app and log in into your same account that you use for TikTok Live Studio. Sometimes this error appears when your account doesn't meet the live requirements. Alright, so to check the requirements, as been said here, to use TikTok Live or Live Studio, you must be at least 18 years old or have 1,000 followers or more. And most importantly, you have no recent community guidelines violation. So if you meet all these, move to your next step. Alright, so restricted mode on TikTok limits exposure to content that may not be comfortable for everyone, such as content with mature or complex themes. When this mode is on, some features like going live, gifting, or using Live Studio won't be available. So that's why. Alright, so to fix this, go to your settings, and then after that, go to your content preference. If your restricted mode is on, just turn it off. Keep in mind that parents or guardians can also control restricted mode through your family pairing. So if your account is linked, ask them to disable it. And that's it. Once you confirm your access, you will be able to use YouTube Live Studio normally again. So thanks for watching and good luck.